Okay, let it be.
अरे ऑन करके रखो। अरे वो मालूम पड़ गया बंद कंप्यूटर के
वो मेरी आदत हो गई।
नहीं फिर भी मालूम पड़ता है।
नहीं, इसमें तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा ना. In between, lift the phone.
हेलो 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 फाइव मिश हो गया बराबर एक मार्क ये बराबर एवरीथिंग इज ओके ओके साइन मारो अच्छा इधर फाइन नहीं है फिर कर लो ये खत्म कर देंगे फर्स्ट थिंग
जो इसके लिए मैंने आशीष को
आशीष को नहीं या दादा वाले आशीष को दिया ना वाइट आशीष को दिया
दादा का कौन सा
दादा का ब्लू कलर है
दादा का इतना खास नहीं है
ताकि उसका ही क्लॉथ अच्छा है इसमें इस क्लॉथ इज ओनली
नहीं देखो
या दिस इज आशीष ये बराबर ये है इसका दिस इज द गुड वन दादा वाले
साईडचं पण घे ना ते. नाही, तेच आहे. कंटिन्यू चालू नाही कंटिन्यू ऑन ठेवलं चालू. अरे भरपूर आपल्याकडे. इस्माइल कादिर.
Good.
Assistant Stores Officer of Resident Stores, who have got, I now request Sri S.K. Bose, Stores Officer, to occupy his seat on dais. Sri Nitin sir to occupy his seat on dais. Sorry, sir. As a customary part of the function, I would request Srimati Megha Ram Bouquet. I now request Srimati Prajiti Patil to welcome Varma sir by giving flower. I now request Kumari Manisha Satpute to present flower to Sri Varma sir. Sir from Tarapur region had got promotion as a stores officer and going to headquarters. Before going in the, I will just brief on Sri APS sir. 1979 at GSK, and he was working in RNC stores Mumbai from 1975 to 1985. From 1985 to 1990, he was working in surplus and independent stores Mumbai in the capacity of stores keeper. From 1990 to 1992, he was associated with import section of Central Stores Mumbai. From 1990 to 1994, he was storekeeper at DA Stores Mumbai, Technology Division Mumbai. He came to Tarapur on 16 October 1996 on promotion as Assistant Stores Officer after doing so many courts and all other problems. Somehow he got promotion and came to Tarapur and initially posted in Prepri store. For internal transfer in WMF store, and until his promotion he is with us. Now, I will respect our stores officer to deliver his few words on his departure on this occasion. Sri Bose sir.
Mr. Venom, Mr. Parmar, and Mr. Parmar, my colleague. Sri Niral has stayed here just exactly 10 years, and actually he was witness for so many events. All it was very helpful for me when I joined here. I used to get all the information from him. Now anyway, he will be relieved. So actually, I am also not happy with that, because I thought that I will be going before this going back from here. So, but God has not agreed to this opportunity. Anyway, I pray to let him go and accept the promotion, and for his right career, he should really go. As far as that what man is concerned, he is very gentleman, very energetic, bold and dynamic, and very efficient for quick taking decision. And I have seen during the disposal time, he had spent whole day in that hot sun without taking any. Even he used to call that our driver, Teddy, you bring the tea over here. If I go for tea, then time will be wasted. So that quality he has got. And second thing, anyway, he has already worked in our center stores for 22 years. So he must be happy going back to that Bombay center stores, and old friends are also there. So he will not have any problem. And I request, since he has already worked here and he is going to in place of Ms. Radhakrishnan, who is now looking after the procurement section, who is normally very scarcity here, and some other items, I think Saurabh and Aurobindo, they will be able to tell some more items. I also expect cooperation from him as he extended here also. And finally, I wish all success and bright career and family life.
On this article.
Thank you, Mr. Sarokar, for calling me here and giving me an opportunity to talk about my dear friends, APS Menon. Today, center point is Menon, and respected stores officer, Shri S.K. Bose, my colleague, Shri S.C. Parmar, and dear friends. Today is a very happy occasion for Shri APS Menon, because as we know that just a few months back he has applied for transfer from Tarapur to Bombay, and by his strong stars or strong willpower and by God's grace, he has got transfer with promotion. So this is, as Mr. Sarokar said, this is a very rare occasion, that transfer with promotion. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Shri APS Menon, and I request all of you to please bring your hands together and give him a great applause to Shri APS Menon. Please give him great claps. As Bose has said, that Menon has spent almost just one decade or 1 month, and shared a lot of ups and downs of lives together. I came to know that when I was sharing these happy moments with Mr. Menon, I felt that he is a very friendly and very helping nature God has gifted him. He is always ready to, he used to his personal capacity and his official capacity by helping this whosoever approached him, he used to help. Now, Mr. Menon has taken initiative in so many improvement of the stores, and lot of whatever things we are now enjoying. See, whatever it is, this cabin, ASO cabins, AC rooms. Personally, he has taken initiative for that, and whatever we are now having facilities. So Mr. Menon has given his remarkable contribution in bringing all this facility to all of us. He is just going from 100 kilometers away from this place. So I don't think that he is going away from us, all of us. I think that we can contact him, we can approach him at any time. And I hope that he will extend his guidance and advice to all of us whenever I pray to God for his health wealth, peace and all types of happiness for his family and for him. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I request Sri Parmat sir to say something on this topic.
प्रकाश साहब हमारे डेप्यूटी डायरेक्टर होता है, लेकिन अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे डरना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मुंबई में भी वैसे ही हुआ था मेरे साथ। जब भी कोई स्टोर में मेरा ट्रांसफर होता था, वहाँ मेनन साहब रहते थे और मेनन साहब निकल जाते थे। 3-4 बार हुआ था और क्या बताते
हमको आगे आना चाहिए था सर।
मेनन साहब थोड़ा सा मैं मेरे साथ रहता हूँ, इसी के साथ अभी यहाँ भी रहना पड़ेगा। आप लोग सब है उसके साथ, उसके साथ इतने साल रह गए हैं तो उनको सब सीखा होगा, वही सीख के हम भी आगे चलेंगे। और आप सबकी तरफ से, मेरी तरफ से मैं मेरे साथ को शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
Thank you, Parmat sir. Now I request Sri D.G. Tale, storekeeper of WMS stores and our union president.
One of our most popular sir who is captured first class compartment for his prosperous life. I never crossed such an intelligent officer and who did not maintain an officer distance in his life, that is a span of 10 years service at Tarapur. I wanted to study from Sri Menon Saab, that is his mastermind in drafting. But he wanted to stay slightly away in a renovated house which shook me both ways. I mean, I cannot express his happiness as well as unhappiness too. But still, I will find him in his master file left for us. I salute a dignity who maintained his relationship with us as a sahib, as a guru and as a friend. And I am sure that this relationship will be maintained forever. I wish good wishes for his another honorable stage, and that is Deputy Director. Thank you.
Thank you, Tale. Now I will request my friend P.P. Arvindan, storekeeper of HBF store, to express his views.
Thank you, Mrs. Arora, for giving me a chance to speak on the occasion of Travel Party Show, Sri A.P.S. Menon. Today's A.P.S. Menon, respected boss sir, respected Varman ji, respected Varman sir, and our colleagues. As you all know that today we gathered here to give a travel party to Sri A.P.S. Menon sir. One is transfer on promotion to CSU, not only on promotion but also we have to share his happiness in this career as he got promoted to CSU as stores officer. On his joining as stores officer on 6/11/6, it will be a great privilege to us as all the stores officers in CSU are ex-Tarapur. Sri D.J. Parma, Sri K.S.J. Menon, Sri R.V. Padwar and now Sri A.P.S. Menon all have gone from here from WMS stores only. Although Tarapur zone and all the stores officers are now in Mumbai are ex-Tarapur, we can expect some consideration to Tarapur as Mosar already told that we are facing some problem of getting some items from central stores as I told, and now for the last many years we are getting monsoon case almost are completing the monsoon only. So next year we can expect the monsoon days as early as possible on May. So I will request Menon sir to
Stores officer, boss sir, ASO, briefly stores, Verma sir, all my senior staff members and my friends. You all are aware that we have joined together here for giving farewell to our beloved Menon sir, this is the moment where I am confused how to express the feelings. Because on one hand I am very happy and I am very happy that our sir has become stores officer. But at the same time there is a little bit pinch in my heart that he is leaving us. For last 3 years I have worked under, rather I would say I work with Menon sir, because he never makes us to feel that we are working under him. This is a quality that I like much about him. Despite large differences of ages between Menon sir and newly joined people like me and many of my friends, he tuned himself and make us to work very effectively. And this is the great combination of traditional managers and modern managers. He called it as 1 minute manager or management by exception. One more quality that I would like to share with you, Menon sir, is that you might not be knowing that he is having a great knowledge about old films and politics also. He used to share with us a lot of times. I congratulate him once again on his success and wish him all the success.
माननीय मेनन साहब, प्रमुख अतिथि और स्टोर्स के सभी उपस्थित सभी अधिकारीगण तथा सहपाठी कर्मचारीगण, मैं मेनन साहब के बारे में जो कुछ कहना चाहता था वो मेरे से पहले भी सभी लोगों ने बता दिया है, इसलिए मैं वो वापस दोहराना नहीं चाहता हूँ और आपको बोर करना नहीं चाहता हूँ। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करूँगा कि माननीय मेनन साहब की ऐसी तरक्की होती रहे और वो उनका स्वास्थ्य भी अच्छा रहे और हम तारापुर के सभी सरकारी गुणों को कभी न भूलें। धन्यवाद।
Anybody wants to speak? Okay. धन्यवाद सर। माननीय हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि श्री मेनन साहब, भंडारा अधिकारी श्री घोष साहब, सहायक भंडारा अधिकारी श्री वर्मा साहब, श्री परमार साहब और हमारे यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी साथियों, हम लोग आज यहाँ पर जिस उद्देश्य से जिस खुशी में एकत्रित हुए हैं, इसे तो आप सभी को मालूम है कि आज हम सभी को बहुत ही खुशी हो रहा है कि मेनन साहब का पदोन्नति हुई है और मुंबई जा रहे हैं। लेकिन जितनी खुशी है उतना ही गम भी है, दुख भी है कि हम लोगों के बीच से आज मेनन साहब मुंबई जा रहे हैं। लेकिन ये हम सभी का गम इस खुशी के सामने छुपाना ही पड़ेगा। ऐसे मुंबई जाकर भी मैं समझता हूँ कि साहब हम लोगों के दिल में हैं और हम साहब के दिल में बने रहेंगे। अब जहाँ तक मैं मेनन साहब की विशेषताएं रही है, उनकी व्याख्यान जितना भी करूँ कम ही पड़ेगा, इसलिए मैं समय को देखते हुए इसकी चर्चा नहीं कर रहा हूँ। अंत में मैं अपने एवं आप सभी के तथा यूनियन के सदस्य के नाते आप सभी की तरफ से मेनन साहब एवं उनके परिवार की उज्जवल एवं खुशी जीवन की कामना करता हूँ और दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी हो, इस तरह उनका मुंबई जाकर उन्नति हो, ऐसा मेनन साहब उन्नति करें। ऐसा मेनन साहब से एक निवेदन है कि मुंबई जाने के बाद तारापुर के का थोड़ा जरूर ख्याल रखें, क्योंकि कोई भी अधिकारी जो मुंबई में हैं वे हम लोगों का दुख दर्द नहीं जान पाएंगे। हम सब यहाँ पर क्या क्या परेशानियाँ झेल रहे हैं। आज यहाँ पर 4-5 साल से नई नई परियोजनाएं का
काम चालू है, जिसे लेकर स्टोर का काम कई गुना बढ़ गया है। लेकिन काम करने वाले कर्मचारी आज से 10 साल पहले थे, उससे भी कम होते हुए भी आज काम इतनी ही तेजी से हम लोगों ने पूरा किया है और कर रहे हैं। लेकिन इतना भी करके आर्थिक रूप से फायदा क्या मिलता है ज्यादा, जबकि प्लांट में ऐसी बात नहीं है। आप तो इससे भली भांति परिचित हैं। अंत में पुनः शुभकामनाएं करता हूं कि दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी उन्नति करते हुए जल्द से जल्द आप डीडी बने, ताकि डीडी ही क्यों, हम सबकी शुभकामनाएं तो है कि क्रय और भंडार निदेशालय में इस तरह का बदलाव आए कि डायरेक्टर भी डीपीएस का आदमी बने और मेनन साहब डायरेक्टर भी बने, ताकि उस मुकाम पर पहुंचकर डीपीएस में नया मुकाम, नई ऊंचाई, नया स्वरूप दे सके। अब मैं इतना ही बोलकर आप अपनी वाणी समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Mendan sir was such a personality that nobody can dispute about him, disagree with his nature, with his behavior with subordinates, higher ups, in any other level. He is a very cheerful personality and having a good quality to deal with any matter in a very amicable way, without any fuss, without any creating problems, in official way or in friendly way. So people used to like him and will definitely like in future also. My long association with him, we are about a decade. I find him a better friend than a big boss. How the boss should be. He was not like a orthodox boss, always firing others and all this thing. I never find him. And on his promotion is going, rather I am happy and I am also unhappy, but because I am losing my best friend from Tarapur. I could not understand how the 10 years I passed with him, it is just like passing 10 minutes. Now I am realizing this. Still, with him, I enjoyed very joyful moments with him, and he was having a spirit in procedural aspects, movie, Bollywood, Hollywood, general knowledge, all other things. He was having a good spirit. And we tried to learn from him so many things apart from official procedure, which will be an additional knowledge for us. And on this occasion, I pray Almighty to pour all, shower with all blessings on him and his family for his good health, happiness and prosperous life in future. Now I request our
I have heard, first let me come with respected boss sir, my colleagues in the management, Mr. Verma, Mr. Barna, and my dear brothers and sisters. I have heard all the compliments and good things talked to me about me by all of you, and I don't know whether I deserve it. I have discharged my duties, I feel so, but since all the repeatedly speakers after speakers have been talking about it, I accept whatever has been told. Thank you for all that, and I really miss all of you when I go there. I do not know how a decade and 18 days have passed in Tarapur. Well, I have whenever I go to Bombay and I assume the charge on Monday, I will always remember you people. Any help anybody requires, anytime you can call me directly. Whatever help I can do, I definitely do to all of you. Then, I think on this occasion, when I have in my discharge of duties, I am not told any harsh words to anybody. But even if anybody feels it, I beg pardon. Thank you very much.
ते सांगायला मला इथे बोलवलं नाही. आधी मी एवढं सांगतो की म्हणजे जसं बाकीचे जे स्टोअर्स ऑफिसर होते किंवा बाकीचे जे ऑफिसर्स होते सगळ्यांचे अनुभव वेगवेगळे आहेत, पण मी जेव्हा इथे आलो काम करायला तेव्हा माझा अनुभव वेगळा. म्हणजे माझे समोर माझे बॉस नव्हते, माझे मित्र होते. अनलेस ही इज माय फ्रेंड. हां, मला इथे कशाला बोलवलंय तर आपले बोस आहेत ज्यांनी आम्हाला हे कार्यक्रम ऑर्गनाईज करायला मदत केली आणि आपल्या सगळ्यांना इथे याचं परमिशन दिली ते मी आहे, कारण आपण सगळे स्टोअर बंद करून इकडे आलेलो आहोत. तर मी त्यांना धन्यवाद देतो आणि त्यांनी या कामाला आम्हाला मदत केली त्याबद्दल आम्ही त्यांचे आभारी आहोत. आपले वर्मा सर आणि परमार सर यांनी पण त्यांच्या स्टाफला इथे बोलवलं. त्यांनी स्वतः त्यांच्या स्टाफला सांगून आपल्या ह्या कार्यक्रमासाठी मदत केली. म्हणजे सगळं जे जे काही लागेल ते त्यांनी आम्हाला मदत केली, त्याबद्दल आम्ही त्यांचेही आभारी आहोत. या कार्यक्रमाला म्हणजे बऱ्याच जणांनी मदत केली, म्हणजे सरळ सरळ म्हणजे समोर समोर येऊन कोणी मदत केली, कोणी कोणाच्या थ्रू मदत केली. म्हणजे काहींची नावं मला घेता येणार नाही, काही ना म्हणजे नावं घेतली तर काही नाव येतात, अरे बाबा माझं नाव नाही घेतलंय असं घेतलं, म्हणून मी कोणाचं नाव घेत नाही. त्या सगळ्यांना मी धन्यवाद देतो. आणि आजचे जे मेन गेस्ट आहेत आपले मेनन्स आहेत, सगळ्यांनी त्यांच्याबद्दल एवढं भरभरून बोलले. ते आपल्याला सोडून जातात. ऍक्च्युली खरं म्हणायला गेलं तर हे दुःखाची बाब आहे आपल्यासाठी, पण ते त्यांच्या फ्युचरच्या दृष्टीने ते एक चांगली गोष्ट आहे की बाबा ते पुढे जातात आहे. आणि कदाचित म्हणजे मी कदाचित बोलतोय, पण मला असं वाटत नाही की ते कदाचित म्हणून सांगतील की ते आम्हाला म्हणजे तारापूर मधून जर मुंबईला गेलं तर ते आम्हाला विचारणार नाही. कारण आम्ही जेव्हा मुंबईला जातो तेव्हा जे आमचे तारापूरचे मित्र तिकडे भेटले की ते आम्हाला विचारतात, अरे तुम्ही तुला कुठेतरी बघितलंय. पण मला असं वाटत नाही की मेनन साहेब आमच्याबद्दल कसं करतील की बाबा अरे मी तुला कुठेतरी बघितलं. तर आम्ही गेलो तर नक्कीच ते आम्हाला चहा वगैरे पाचतील, तेवढे तरी चहावर 2 बिस्किटं दिली तर अतिउत्तम होते. आणि या कार्यक्रमात तुम्ही आलात, सगळे उपस्थित राहिलात, तर मी खरंच धन्यवाद देतो सगळ्यांना. तुम्ही तुमचा वेळ इथे दिलात. आणि एक शेवटचं म्हणजे मला भूक लागलेली आहे, मला पण भूक लागली, तर कार्यक्रम संपला असं मी जाईल. धन्यवाद.
राजेंद्र ने कार्यक्रम को संपन्न करने की घोषणा की होगी, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं चाहूँगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा अपने स्टोर ऑफिसर श्री घोष से कि हम सब की तरफ से छोटा सा बुक है, ये बयालू के अंदर है, जर्नलिप शो, ये सबकी तरफ से श्री नवीन जी को प्रेजेंट करें. श्री घोष सर, ये एक छोटा प्रेजेंट और है, ये भी हम सबकी तरफ से मैं अपने कलीग श्री एस.सी. परमार जी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि हम सबकी तरफ से श्री मैनन जी को दें.
But I would like to say something for our favorite or lovable Menon sir. He has been very kindful, joyful and friendly and very innovative person. And he has brought so many changes in our office. I can't say you. He gave us AC and he has provided so much comfort, you know. We did not feel that like we are working with boss. We normally felt that normally we are working with our friend only. And he has been very friendly. And I think he would help us in future also. Good luck for us, sir. Thank you, sir.
सर डाक दे रहे सर मुंबई डाक दे रहे सर.
Thank you, ma'am. The management is going on just behind this. Till that time, you just be with us, kindly bear with us and hold on.
Dear friends, all the memories which I have carried from here are equally important. Everybody's entry, everybody's meeting, everybody's feelings are equally important. So I have always been at the talking end, and today I feel I should be at the receiving end. So thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everybody. I would like to sing a song for our beloved sir, Menon sir. जग में नहीं जाएंगे
गाना शुरू संदीप लाइनर डांस नो प्रॉब्लम है यस कम
Whatever you do, it is in camera. So don't worry, it is captured.
You want to say? I don't have any objection. Sandeep? Come here. No problem. Anything will do. Anything will do. You clap.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, sir.
एक हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। वो अचानक आया दिल यूं नजर के सामने, जैसे निकल आया घटा से चमक, चेहरे पे जुल्फे बिखरी हुई थी, दिल मेरा हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई।
परोटा घ्या परोटा मोठा उचला पहिले इकडे मोठा परोटा उचला चलो मोरकडे साहेब इकडे बघ ए बाजूला रे हे तो काय खा ना इकडे बघ संगीता इकडे बघा सर्व कसं जरा एका साईडला अरे हां हां नाही बसतो डोंट वरी मॅडम तुम्हाला बघ येस हां येस सर द्यायचं कोण कोण मी घेतो नाही घेतो नाही आम्ही सगळं एकत्रच बसणार आहे चपाती काहीतरी घ्या आता बाद में लिया टू डोंट वरी एवरीबॉडी इज ये मुंह में डाल तेरे को हाँ मैं क्या करूँ मैं क्या बैटरी खत्म होने गया